How to add Google Maps to Shopify pages. So first, what you need to do is, of course, you need to download Pagefly Page Builder. Of course, this is the app that we're going to use. Now, once you have the Pagefly Page Builder, make sure that you created your own page as well. And then once you do that, of course, open apps and just open Pagefly Page Builder. And then you will see your page here, the one that you just created, and then just click on edit, then click on elements and scroll down and you'll see Google Maps. Just click on it. Of course, choose your preferred selection here. I'll choose this one. Just drag it here. Oh, what happened? Okay, drag it again. Okay, and there you go. You just added a Google Map on your Shopify page. Of course, you can also edit the Google Map using these settings here: styling, general. You can edit it however you want. So just click on save. After that, just click on save, then just click on publish. So that's it. Or if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.